Hey guys, what's up? Chris the Asian here. My second question comes from David Skatecat. Um, you ask, you have an 8600. You just say you have an 8600, so I don't know if it's an 8600 GTS, GT, whatever. But anyways, and you ask, should you buy the 9600 GT or get an 8800 GT? To me, if you want to invest in a graphics card, honestly, my personal opinion would either be the 8800 GTS 512 with a G92 chipset. It's better value per buck. One reason, like the 8800 GT, it's a single slot card solution, but what I don't like about it is the cooling. It gets really hot, and if you turn up the fan, it's really loud. But with the 8800 GTS, the G92 model, it takes up 2 slots, which is no big deal to me, but it has a great cooler on it. It's a big heat sink, heat pipes, big fan, runs nice and quiet, and I think it runs about between 10 to 18 degrees Celsius cooler than the 8800 GT. But there's the 8800 GT Akimbo by EVGA, which is an 8800 GT, but it has a big aftermarket stock cooler. So instead of just buying that, spending more money, just get an 8800 GTS 5, the 512 one. Or, since the new 200 series cards came out, pick yourself up a 9800 GTX. That's a better value per buck. So think about it this way: spend $210 on the 9800 GTX, or spend, $180 on a GT or whatever the price it is now. I'd rather you save up the money to use a better card, and you don't have to keep upgrading. You just get the thing that will last for a while, and just stick with it. And that's what I would recommend.